Channel, come back to my channel. So our topic is today is regarding the fuel filter. This one fuel filter is from this is L200. Eh, this is a 4D56. This is the engine DID model. So this is they have a fuel filter. So I have pulled out already the fuel filter. Now this one, this is a fuel filter of diesel. This is every 20,000 kilometer service must be changed this one, the filter. Now shout out depend upon the unit, okay, because this unit is L200, not same like Pajero that every 60,000 kilometer service, but this one is L200. So every L200 must be changed fuel filter every 20. So now come back this one. No, I show you very well this one. So this L200, okay. So this one shut out. I make it marking so because this is a center, so I make it marking. So now this one, if you see the arrow, they have a open. Where is the open? Like this one. So if you open this one, okay. So where is the arrow? So they have a arrow, they have a guide. Where is the open here? Yeah, it's already open. Now it's already open. Okay. So where is the filter? This is the filter. Shut out. This is the filter. So I pull out this one. You see, this is the old one.